your wishes soar. There's magic in every act, big and small, to explore. So explore. So listen closely, little one, to this poetic tale of how your actions, like shooting stars, can prevail. Respect your elders with kindness and care, their wisdom and love beyond compare. For in their eyes you'll see a guiding light, leading you through darkness, shining bright. Tidy up your spaces after games and play. A tidy room brings peace at the end of the day. With each toy in its place and every mess cleared away, you'll find joy and order in every nook and bay. Say thank you with a smile for each blessing received. Gratitude is a treasure in times of joy or need. For kindness begets kindness in a beautiful chain, spreading warmth and love like sunshine after rain. So little one, remember as you journey ahead, your actions have power like words left unsaid. In every positive deed, you pave the way to a brighter tomorrow where dreams have sway.
Thank you for watching, little stars. Remember to always be kind, stay safe, and shine bright. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more magical adventures and educational stories. Spread love and keep dreaming. See you next time.